Okay, before you look at part 3, let's take a look at what you're going to be doing for part 3. Now I have 4 squared raised to the third power. So the way I'm going to expand that is I'm going to work with what's on the outside first and leave what's on the inside of the parentheses by itself. Right? I'm not going to worry about this right now. What I'm going to do is rewrite this as 4 squared times 4 squared times 4 squared. So I used 4 squared as the base, and now 3 is my exponent. But I'm not done. I can go even further with that, and now I can expand each of the 4 squareds inside of each of those individual parentheses. So now I'm going to rewrite that as 4. Instead of writing 4 squared, I'll write 4 times 4. And I'm multiplying that by 4 times 4. And I'm multiplying that by 4 times 4. So that is, again, since multiplication is associative and it's all multiplication, I can just get rid of all the parentheses. So I just have 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. And of course we know from what we started with in this lesson that since 4 is it's the same number every time, so 4 is going to be my base. I have 4, and the power is the number of times I'm multiplying 4 by itself. So that is, of course, let's see, 1, 2, well, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I want my exponent to be 6. Let's see. Here, you're like a crazy colored pen. So I want 4 to the 6th power. And now, again, you're going to move on to part 3, and you're going to see if you can do a little bit of exploration and figure out a rule for when we raise a power to a power. This is called power to a power. So just move on and complete this table, and then of course after that you can check again with me.